judges will announce the winners from 5th runner-up to the ECCS 2025. Our dear candidates, please proceed on stage. Okay, pictures, nandito na ba lahat? Kompleto na tayo. So, para po lahat, klaro, transparent, ay, si Ma'am Angel. Ma'am Angel, Ma'am Angel. Ano ba si Sir? Okay, so to award the trophy, the plaque, with sash, may sash pa ron, Nina, and a bouquet from the faculty club officers, and a gift. May I call in Mr. Ricardo Aristorenas to announce the 5th runner-up. Wala na muna lalabas. Handa na ba? Biglang din. Okay ba kayo? Okay ba kayo? Alright, so go sir. Our 5th runner-up is candidate number. Bro, naman dyan o. Our 5th runner-up is candidate number 1. May I call in our master teacher, Ma'am Michelle Talang and Lisa Maniego, to award the... Ma'am sa Maniego nga po. Ako po ang nag-announce eh. Diba? Habang tinawag po kayo po. Ma'am Talang and Ma'am sa Maniego to award the sash, bouquet, plaque, and gift. Congratulations, candidate number 1.
Alexi, mapicture tayo mamaya doon, no? Photo booth.
And calling also our dearest principal for the photo opportunity. Okay, to award the plaque, the sash, the bouquet, and the gift, may I call in Master Teacher Ma'am Aguila and Miss, Ma'am Master Teacher Ma'am Martinez. And of course, our dearest principal, Roser Ricardo. For our 4th runner-up, candidate number 5. Candidate number 5, congratulations. To announce the 3rd place, may call in Ma'am Rachel Van. And to award the certificate, the plaque, the sash, the bouquet, and the gift, may I call in Master Teacher Ma'am Joanne Magluwis and Master Teacher Ma'am Stella Gabriel. Ma'am Christy Flores. Don't be blind.
For our second runner-up, she is no other than candidate number 3. Candidate number 3 and number 4 sa gitna po. Okay, maghawak kamay. Iwakay-iwakay. Okay, so ang tatawag, just to clarify everyone, ang tatawagin po is the first runner-up. At ang hindi siya, yung number dito tawagin, siya po ang Miss CCS 2025. Alright? So, Ma'am Luna. Sige po. So, before
Wait lang po, ma'am. You hold your horses. Let's call first the best in talent and best in longgan. O sige, unahin muna natin yun. Stay lang. Hold your horses, masters. Nasaan po ba?
Talent daw. Soplet! Sabi na mo!
Best in talent, meron din tayo lang. Okay, so I will announce the best in talent, best in long gown, and wala nang willing naman. Oo nga. Best in recitation.
Ako din eh. Natapos.
Alright, so I will call, balik mo na ulit, wala na alis ha. And of course, our dear principal, Sir
po.
Proud nanay! Proud nanay! Proud nanay!
Hindi pwede, ma'am. Kayo na balak dyan. Gusto niyo yan. Wala na kayo. Again, congratulations, candidate number 3. And to all our ladies here in front, congratulations! Job well done! Our tutorial. Wala po muna uuwi. Wala po muna uuwi. Ang uuwi po ang magbabayad po ng buong ginastos sa training na ito.
Basta hindi kami papayag sa birthday niya. O sa birthday niya.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.